Enjoy a unique stay experience with KEENON W3 Hotel Robot. It is well equipped with intelligent precision navigation and obstacle avoidance system, so that it can move around safely and steadily. A reliable and hassle-free delivery solution is guaranteed with high-performance cabin ventilation system and flexible combinations and storage units. It is an autonomous mobile robot that supports multi-robot cooperative operations. It can ride the elevator on its own, handle all types of roads without any problem, and make multiple deliveries at a time. It can improve operational efficiency and be on call 24/7. This is the thoughtful KEENON W3 Hotel Robot.
KEENON.